In this video, we will discuss about different kind of diabetes and compare it with a healthy person. So, let us understand how the mechanism work in a healthy person. This is suppose this in this figure, the yellow shaped component of a body part is the pancreas. So pancreas in our body has the ability to produce insulin, and whenever the insulin is produced and it is recognized by the cell, it will take up the glucose for the functioning. So usually whenever the blood sugar level are high, the pancreas are able to recognize this high blood sugar level. In order to reduce the high blood sugar level, it releases insulin, and this insulin will be sensed by the cells through insulin receptor, and uh, it gives a signal to the cells to take up the glucose so that it can maintain the blood sugar level within a normal limit. And this is usually occurs in normal condition whenever a person takes a meal. So so this condition is more resembles after meal. And and there are two different kind of diabetes. First is the type 1 diabetes, that is mostly comes from inheritance. What happens in this case is that pancreas is unable to produce insulin. So because of this, suppose a condition when a individual have a meal and has type 1 diabetes, their blood sugar levels are high, and in order to reduce this blood sugar level, the pancreas normally should produce insulin to control the amount of glucose. However, the pancreas in this case does not has that ability because of inheritance or due to some other reason. And so the glucose level in the body remains high, and the person suffers from high blood sugar level. So in this case, the person has to artificially introduce insulin after food or whenever their blood sugar level are high, so that the glucose level will be reduced as the insulin will get sensed by the cells. It will take up the glucose. uh, so in this case, person has to take up insulin at regular interval and possibly for its whole life. The next one is the type 2 diabetes. This type 2 diabetes is basically occurs because of unhealthy lifestyle, and does not unhealthy or inactive lifestyles. What happens is that with time, the the cells of the cell or the receptor at the cells, insulin receptor at the cells, is uh, fails to respond properly against the insulin. And this happens because of unhealthy lifestyle or continuously maintaining high blood sugar level, so that the cells get saturated or used to that high blood sugar level, or the pancreas get used to that high blood sugar level. So when suppose a condition when the blood sugar level are high when a person have a meal, but the and the pancreas uh, function in this case will not get affected. Pancreas will work normally. Sorry if I said something wrong in the previous statement. So pancreas will work normally, only the insulin receptor will get on the cell will get affected. So whenever the person have a meal and blood sugar level are high, it will reduce the insulin. It will pancreas will release the insulin to take care of the high blood sugar level. However, the amount of insulin that has been released will not be able to function or give a proper signal. So because the insulin receptor is not functioning properly. So because of this, the glucose level will not be able to reduce to a normal level, but will have a level that is above than a normal level or abnormal levels. And with time, this glucose level will continue to increase, and person will observe a high blood sugar, high blood sugar. So, and this kind of thing can be improved by changing their lifestyles, so that insulin receptor will get functional, or will get functional uh, with the efficiency that has been similar to the efficiency of a healthy person. And this type 2 diabetes can be reversed with the change in lifestyle. And the problem arises when type 1 and type 2 diabetes combined together. In this case, uh, person not only need to improve its lifestyle, but they also have to take insulin at regular intervals or whenever their blood sugar level are high. In order to understand all these things in details, you can go to the reference that is provided in the description. I hope you get some idea about now what a healthy life, what is the mechanism in a healthy person, and what are the problems in type 1 and type 2 diabetes. That's all for this video. Thank you for your time.